In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation bar in Flutterflow. First, go ahead and open Flutterflow and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the project where you want to add the navigation bar. This is important because you'll be placing the navigation directly into the app screen where users will interact with it. After your project is open, head over to the widget panel. This is where you'll find the building blocks for your interface. In the search bar, type navigation bar, then locate the widget in the results. Drag and drop the navigation bar onto your page and position it at the bottom of the screen. Since navigation bars are usually used for switching between the main sections of an app, placing it at the bottom makes it familiar and easy for users to use. Next, select the navigation bar so you can begin adding your navigation items. Add the tabs you want to include, such as Home, Search, Favorites, and Profile. For each tab, choose an icon and a label that clearly represent that section. Try to keep the names short and the icons intuitive, because this helps users understand your app at a glance. Once your tabs are in place, the next step is to connect each one to the correct page. Click on a navigation item, then open the Actions panel. Choose Add Action, and from there select Navigate to. After that, pick the page that should open when that tab is tapped. Repeat this same process for each remaining tab until every item leads to the right destination. Taking a moment here to double check your links can save time later. Now it's time to customize the look of the navigation bar. You can change the background color to match your app's theme, then adjust the selected and unselected icon colors so users can easily tell which tab is active. You can also modify the text style and icon size, and set the height and spacing so everything feels balanced and polished. Small visual adjustments here can make a big difference in the overall user experience. To make the navigation bar available throughout your app, add the same navigation bar to each main page. On each page, make sure the correct tab is marked as selected so users always know where they are. If your Flutterflow plan supports reusable components, you can also create the navigation bar once and reuse it across your app for a more efficient setup. Finally, click Run or Preview to test everything. Tap each navigation item and confirm that every tab opens the correct page and that the active tab is highlighted properly. If everything works as expected, your navigation bar is ready to go.